My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension which is called Link Downloader. Link Downloader is an unwanted extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it can somehow help you improve the way you surf the internet by grounding all website page links to one place. The trouble is that this particular extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly added to your browser, access the menu More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove this unwanted extension. Finally, I would recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching and investigating the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.